Friends, for making our chili cheese balls, we'll use 300 grams of chicken, then some cubes of onions, bell peppers, red and yellow that I have. I don't have the green one today. Some fresh leaves like basil, chopped chopped thinly. Then the fresh coriander leaves, thinly chopped. Jalapeno, it will go into the cheese balls. So once when I'll marinate the chicken and I'll make the balls, it will go as slice into it. Some green chilies, I have removed the seeds and the stem, you can see, so that the Chinese gravy doesn't become that much hot, because it's a combination of kind of European and Chinese cuisine. Some amount of black pepper, it will go into the chicken in the crust format, so I'll use the powder of it. Some amount of ginger and garlics, egg yolks, I am using 2 for me. Some oregano, which will give a nice flavor when it will mix with the cheese, and when you will bite the cheese balls, you will get the flavor. Some dried parsley. So that's all about the spices and the herbs for today. And along with that, I need some breadcrumbs also to make my cheese balls crunchy. And so friends, we are now done with our marination, and my marination is perfect, and the stickiness of the chicken is absolutely fine. So you can see the kind of balls I am able to make now. It is sticky and it is not that much runny. So let us make the balls first, and then make a hole, and then put a cheese, and then wrap it. So I need to use my 2 hands, otherwise it is very difficult to make a hole and then put a cheese. So here are my cheese. So if you want, then you can use the mozzarella. If you have normal processed cheese, then also you can use the processed cheese. I am taking my breadcrumbs here, and I will slowly move it, and I will wrap it with the breadcrumbs so that the outer crust become crunchy. In one layer, in the outer layer, you can also put also dip it into the egg whites, so that the breadcrumbs don't get separated from the balls. So for now, we are putting like this, and we will process for the next one. Take this, make a hole, place your cheese, and make a ball. As simple as that. So friends, we are almost at the end of making the balls, the cheese balls. This will be little bigger because this is the last chicken that I had. So I will keep it, as this will be the bigger one. So I will keep it for my daughter, so that she becomes happy, because she is actually the creator of this YouTube channel, because she insisted me, and I just tried to honor her request because she is growing. So definitely a growing kids needs special attention from the parents. Again, you coat it with the final layer, outermost layer of the cheese ball, so that once you fry it, it will become very crunchy, because there are two layers already. The first layer has gone on top of the meat, and the second layer is going on the outer crust after the egg whites are placed. And keep doing for all the circles, all the meatballs. Be generous here. So finally, friends, my cheese balls are ready. Now it is about to fry now. We will take a deep pan. We will take sufficient oil, so that the cheese balls can dip into it, and we will make it fry. Initially, we will make the flame low, and then we will make the flame higher for the golden color. Friends, I am putting some light soya, little sugar, not much, just to make the gravy little sweeter. This much is enough. Remember one thing, that all the sauces, they already contain sugar. So when you make the Chinese gravy, that time you should be very much careful about the sugar, amount of sugar sugar and salt you are adding. Let me stir it little bit, and I will add it into the onions. So friends, my onions are sauteed now. Now the actual journey will start from here, because Chinese cooking is always on high heat. So whenever you are making Chinese, you make sure all your vegetables, all your ingredients are handy, and all the vegetables are rightly chopped, because there is no point of waiting for the next process, and immediately you should throw everything in it. So now I am going to add my ginger and garlic slices. Friends, here is the sauce that I was talking about. Little Tabasco, little red Tabasco, and a hot chili sauce. Now we need to put some ketchup. Now see guys, I am adding my ketchup now. So far I have not added any salt because all my sauces, they contain salt. Now I'm going to add slight amount of salt, not much, not less, and I will make a thick gravy of corn flour. So friends, I think it is a perfect consistency, and now we are good to go with our bell peppers. So we need to put our bell peppers, and at the end you just put your chili slices, because if you even put those chili slices at this stage, there will be a chance that the gravy will be hot and kids will face difficulty eating this kind of gravy. So friends, this is a dish. It is a kind of combination of European, mostly French and or Italian and Chinese. So definitely try this recipe at your home over the weekend. If you want it as a snack or as a main course also, you can present it. And guys, your like and subscribe really means a lot to me, and guys, only you can make this channel popular, because the kind of effort I am putting, you can see. And if you really like the contents or the way I am cooking, then please make this channel popular, so that I also get encouragement to make more good dishes, because this kind of dishes are not very common. Cheese balls are fine, meatballs are fine, meat cheese balls are fine, but when meat cheese balls are getting mingled with some Chinese recipe, that kind of innovation that I try to do continuously. So one of your subscribe and like really means a lot to me, to make this channel popular, and end of the day I can present much good dishes for you, and we can stay together as a family of Shan's Food Gallery. Guys, I have put my heat down, and I am spreading all my chilies over the gravy. Now friends, I am increasing the temperature slightly and giving it a high temperature, stirring slightly, and you can see this is the final shape of the meatballs or the cheese balls. So this is absolutely fine, and also the gravy is also perfect for roti, chapati, rice, everything. You can make it more dry, it is as per your choice. The bell peppers are also sauteed enough, and now it is time for the final plating. Guys, finally our chicken cheese balls in Chinese style, that is chili chicken cheese balls, are ready to get plated. So let us have the first smell and let us do the plating. So here is the final outcome of this is, you can say, the raw outcome. So the bell peppers are holding its color, sauteed enough, gravy consistency is fine, and now we are going to put it in the plate, and we will shoot the plating video now. So friends, we are done with our plating, and now the final outcome is like this. It is a basil I have used today for my garnishing, but generally I don't use basil for Chinese foods. But as it's a combination of Chinese and Italian or French, then so I thought to put some signs of Italian and French with basil, and some already the gravy, the bigger part of the preparation is showing Chinese. So if you really like the contents or the way I described it, please show your love through your like and subscribe button press, and press the bell notification so that you get the notification immediately I upload some new videos and new recipes. And definitely you can reach to me over Instagram and Facebook also. And if you have any questions regarding this cooking or any other cooking, or if you wish to see something newly from me, please let me know in your comments so that I can quickly jump into that and prepare that. And till then, goodbye, and thank you so much for watching the video from begin to end, and all the best and stay safe.